I'm Miss Connie, and I'm here to read you a story called The Big Wide-Mouthed Frog. It's a story about a frog who goes around the world talking to other animals to see what they like to eat. Can you guess what the frog likes to eat? Here's some paper cut-out puppets that I made, and they're here to help illustrate the story. Here's our lead character, Mr. Frog. Once there was a big wide-mouthed frog with the biggest, widest mouth you ever did see. And one day, that big wide-mouthed frog hopped off to see the world. The first creature he met had big thumping feet. "Hey, you big thumping feet, who are you and what do you eat?" shouted the big wide-mouthed frog. "I'm a kangaroo," said Kangaroo, "and I eat grass." "Well, I'm a big wide-mouthed frog," shouted the wide-mouthed frog, "and I eat flies." There's our fly up in the corner. The second creature he met had a big black nose. "Listen, Mr. Big Nose, who are you and what do you eat?" shouted the wide-mouthed frog. "I'm a koala," said Koala, "and I eat leaves." "Well, I'm a big white-mouthed frog," shouted the wide-mouthed frog, "and I eat flies." The third creature he met was hanging upside down. "Ho there, upside-down creature! Who are you and what do you eat?" shouted the wide-mouthed frog. "I am a possum," said Possum, "and I eat blossoms." "Well, I'm a big white-mouthed frog," shouted the wide-mouthed frog, "and I eat flies." The fourth creature he met had 3 long toes. "Look here, 3 long toes, who are you and what do you eat?" shouted the wide-mouthed frog. "I am an emu," said Emu, "and I eat grasshoppers." "Well, I'm a big wide-mouthed frog," shouted the wide-mouthed frog, "and I eat flies." Then the wide-mouthed frog met a creature stretched out on the river bank like a knobby brown log. "Hey, knobby brown log, who are you and what do you eat?" shouted the wide-mouthed frog. Knobby brown log opened her mouth in a slow, wide, lazy smile. "Good day to you, too," she said. "I'm a crocodile, and I eat big, wide-mouthed frogs. Who are you, and what do you eat?" "Me?" whispered the wide-mouthed frog, puckering his mouth into the smallest, narrowest mouth you ever did see. "I'm just a small, narrow, frog, and I'm off. There goes our frog, hopping into the sunset with our little fly laughing. I think maybe the frog realizes what it's like now to be the fly. I hope you enjoyed this book. Have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.